Hey Brenda, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just reaching out to shoot you that video about how to increase your online revenue. So, just taking a look at your website. Um, got a nice header, nice background, great logo, got everything. What I would advise is having a click to call in the corner just for those quick conversions so people can just quickly call you and you can get them on the phone. The faster that happens, the better. Um, Going through, got a really good website. Everything that you're looking for, all the different services that you provide, all the different floors that you work with, everywhere that you provide, all the locations, and then of course the footer, which has all the other information where you are, where to find you, um, all that other fun stuff. So taking a look at your website, you got a decent amount of content. 300 to 400 words. What Google is truly looking for is 15 to 2,000 words with a bunch of keywords mixed in. Those keywords are the about your intent keywords that people are searching to look for your specific service, which I gotta say you're doing a pretty good job with. Because when we look behind the scenes with our system called Ahrefs, we see what's going on with your website behind the scenes. So two most important things, your UR rating and your DR rating. So your UR rating is the strength rating of your website, how strong your website is, which is a 23, which isn't bad. Google is looking for a 30-30 or a 30-40 between that realm for both. And your DR rating is the trust that Google places in your website, which is only a point 0.2, not very strong, but what you do really well is those backlinks. You have 859, which is really good. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, Wikipedia would be an awful backlink to have leading back to your website because that's an extremely spammy link. But a flooring blog, a laminate flooring blog, would be an awesome backlink to have leading back to your website from it because that's relevant to your services. So Google will be like, hey, that's a plus. They're trying their best to make sure their content is relevant. Now, what you do really well is those organic keywords, those buyer intent keywords. I'm going to be honest, for Fort Worth, you have a lock. um, so hardwood floor, that's too generic. You're still doing pretty well in it, but it's very generic. So this traffic to your website may not actually be for buyers in Texas. They actually could be anywhere in the United States. So someone in Jersey can type that and find you. So unfortunately, I wouldn't trust that traffic. However, you do on the front page hardwood flooring Fort Worth, hardwood flooring Texas, which once again that can be anywhere in Texas. Um, Whoops. So that can be good or bad to rank for. Texas hardwood flooring, same deal. Hardwood floors, Fort Worth. These are awesome to rank for. As you can see, 150 people each search for them a month, and you're on the fourth page. I mean, you're on the fourth position. So you're top three. So Fort Worth, I wouldn't even touch. You have that on lock. What I would say then would be going towards Dallas because there are no keywords that you have. You're not ranking really for Dallas, Texas. Only for I know this is one of your spots, so would it would make sense to try and rank there. So if we put in the keyword hardwood flooring Dallas, going through, you have your ads, which is the people that are paying to be up here. They pay per click, so if we call them and they answer, they pay Google for every single answer. And then you have the GMB, which you are on for the Fort Worth, so that's awesome. You can always get more, so I would advise working to get on this one as well for Dallas. And then the text will go the top one. We have our organic rankings. The number one is Texas Hardwood Flooring. So let's check out their website. So they got a lot going on. 20% off installation, all the different places they're on. Their click to call for those quick conversions that they have in the top right, which is awesome. And then just going through, they got a lot of different services, and just explaining exactly what they're doing, happy customers, and then they hit the bottom. As you can see, they don't have a lot of content either. They don't hit that 15 to 2,000 words that Google truly is looking for. But let's see what they're doing well behind the scenes so they can rank first for Dallas. So they're, as you can see, they're closer to that golden ratio. They have 20 for their strength rating and 15 for their trust rating. So the 1-to-1 ratio isn't there, but it's still pretty close. And they have a lot of good backlinks. So as I said, not all backlinks are created equal. It's quality over quantity. They might only have 728, but they're pretty good because that's what's allowing them to get this good ratio. Now, what they're also doing really well are those organic keywords. So we go through. No, these are just generic stuff. Once again, Texas Hardwood Floors, Texas Hardwood Flooring. They might be ranking first, but first, that's their name, and second, that's very generic. It can be anywhere in Texas. And then they have Hardwood Flooring Dallas. So that's going to be your top one. Hardwood Floors Dallas, Hardwood Flooring. You can see that 300 people are searching this a month, and they're in the top spots. So that's why you see the organic traffic from this being 45, 44, 43. They're getting a lot of traffic just from these 3 keywords that they're ranking for in Dallas. So what I would advise is you're already doing pretty well where you're at in Fort Worth. I would advise upping up that content so you can add Dallas. So you can start beating out Texas Hardwood Flooring and start getting their traffic as well, because you're doing well with Fort Worth, but more is better. So what I would advise is start either add another homepage for Dallas, and then of course add those keywords that you saw, and then of course add their backlinks. You already have a lot. I would look at their backlinks, see what they're getting, and of course, since their backlinks are working, since they're number one, take their backlinks, add it to yours, and then you can beat them out in Dallas as well, and have both Dallas and Fort Worth coming through your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me. And as always, if you can leave some feedback, I'm always looking to improve. But you have a blessed rest of your day.